How to prevent Windows 11 from installing on unsupported PC. Windows 11 has certain system requirements that need to be met in order for it to be installed and run properly. If your PC does not meet these requirements, you may encounter performance issues or other problems. If you want to prevent Windows 11 from installing on an unsupported PC, here are some potential solutions. 1. Disable Windows Update. The most straightforward way to prevent Windows 11 from installing on an unsupported PC is to disable automatic Windows updates. To do this, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Pause Updates, and then choose a date far enough in the future that Windows 11 will not be released yet. You can also turn off the automatically download updates option to prevent updates from being downloaded and installed automatically. 2. Change Registry Editor settings. You can use the Registry Editor to prevent Windows 11 from being installed on your PC. To do this, open the Registry Editor by typing regedit into the Start menu search bar, then navigate to hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update. Create a new DWORD value called target release version and set its value to 1. 3. Use Group Policy Editor. If you are using the Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise Edition, you can use the Group Policy Editor to prevent Windows 11 from being installed on your PC. To do this, open the Group Policy Editor by typing pedite.msc into the Start menu search bar, then navigate to Computer Configuration /Administrative Templates /Windows Components /Windows Update. Enable the Configure Automatic Updates policy and set it to Disabled. 4. Use a third-party tool. There are third-party tools available that can block Windows updates from being installed on your PC. Some popular options include Never10 and GWX Control Panel. It is also important to note that disabling Windows updates or preventing Windows 11 from being installed on an unsupported PC can leave your system vulnerable to security threats and may prevent you from receiving important updates and patches. As such, it is generally recommended to upgrade to a supported version of Windows if possible.